Here we're going to look at topic 4, example 2, use literal equations to solve problems. In a half hour, Sarah is meeting her friends at the lake 6 miles from her house. At what average speed must she ride her bike to get there on time? Right, so just like I mentioned in the last video, a literal equation is something that becomes a kind of standard across the board. And in this case, we're talking about distance, we're talking about time, we're talking about rate. So we want to use the formula d equals r times t. All right, and you can use lowercase letters. I'm going to use capital for this problem, but it's whatever. Where distance, so d is equal to distance, r is equal to rate, and t is equal to time. So what we're trying to find out is we want to know what average speed must she ride her bike to get there on time. So we're looking for r. So what I can do is I can take this d equals rt formula and I can divide both sides by t. That leaves me, oh, that was not supposed to happen. That leaves me with d divided by t is equal to r. And if I want to rewrite that a little bit better, so r equals d divided by t. So that's my formula to solve for the rate, all right, my average speed. So what I can do is I can plug my numbers in. So I would take r, oh, that's not an r. I would take r equals distance divided by time. I'm trying to solve for r, so marker's not cooperating. So I know that the distance is 6, and I know that the time is half an hour. So that would be 30 minutes or 0.5 hours. Be careful what you use. We're probably looking for miles per hour here. They did say 6 miles from her house, so you want to keep that in terms of miles per hour. So half an hour, we would use 0.5. And now we don't need to undo anything. We can just do arithmetic. We can do 6 divided by 0.5. That would be 12. So the question, at what average speed must she ride her bike to get there on time? So Sarah must average 12 miles per hour if she's going to get there in half an hour. Now, could you have done this without first isolating r? Yeah, of course. You could have plugged in d and t and solved from there. But it does become easier if you know you're looking for a specific variable, if that variable is already by itself. So again, take your equation, isolate the variable that you know you're looking for, and then you can just plug your numbers in and find whatever it is that you're being asked, find the solution to that.